Sir, you are most welcome for the sudden arrival to Marcus Academy, Hatipur English High School. But my question is, how do you feel by visiting this school?
I am very proud of the results of the Hatipukari Marcus Academy. I wish the students my very best, and I am thankful to the teachers, to the principal, and to the members of the SNC committee.
Thank you, sir, and you are most welcome. One more question. Many people are raising a questions and telling they haven't seen during this lockdown time and for your late arrivals. What would you like to tell them, sir?
Everybody knows that Parliament was going on till 23rd March, and there were going to be more. The Parliament was going to go on till April, and on 24th March, very abruptly, the lockdown was announced. As MPs, we had scheduled meetings, committee meetings in Delhi, so we stayed back, but we did not know that this would be the situation. The Prime Minister said that the lockdown initially would only be for 21 days. So we thought that we will wait for 21 days, not take a risk. But then the Prime Minister said after 21 days the lockdown has failed, we need a few more weeks. So we thought we'll wait few more weeks, then few more weeks, then few more weeks. So that is how it became a long time. But I'm very disappointed with the Assam government because they secretly took BJP MPs from Delhi back to Assam. They did not inform any Congress MPs. Assam government should not have showed discrimination, and the BJP MPs who also secretly flew back to Assam, I want to ask them that did they go through the mandatory 14-day quarantine? When I came back, I went through a 14-day home quarantine. I obeyed all the rules. Did the BJP MPs obey the rules? Now Rameshwar Teli minister is going around. Is he safe from coronavirus? Does coronavirus only go into Congress MPs? Coronavirus does not go into BJP MPs, BJP minister. That is my charge to the BJP.
Hi viewers, just I have asked Mr. Gaurav Gogoi about the late arrival because after long time waiting by the people of the Kaliapur constituency, Mr. Gaurav Gogoi arrives his constituency, and he says that due to Parliament and lockdown announced by the government, sudden lockdown announced by the governments made him late. Thank you.